Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 2 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 maths. Click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. So find a chapter edition 1 digit. So here is a list of the lessons we are going to cover today from the chapter edition 1 digit. The lessons are identify repeated additions in arrays, sums of 10, write addition sentences for arrays, sums of 10, identify repeated additions in arrays, sums of 25, and then the final test of the chapter. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the first topic, that is identify repeated additions in arrays, sums to 10. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Okay. Identify repeated additions in arrays, sums to 10. Okay, here I am on the chapter edition 1 digit. So the lesson name is identify repeated additions in arrays, sums to 10. So let's just start with the lesson. So here is the lesson, identify repeated additions in arrays, sums to 10. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so let's start with an example. Which addition statement describes the array? So here is the array. You're given with a group of the squares. You have to just look how they are grouped. Got it? So the squares have been grouped by rows. So you have two of the rows, and in each row you have four of the squares. Got it? So you can write them as 4 plus 4 because you have two of the rows. So you can write them as 4 plus 4. Got it? And 4 plus 4 makes 8. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Which addition statement describes the array? Okay. So you're given with two of the rows, and in each row, how many rectangles do we have? In each row, we have three of the rectangles. So we can write them as 3 plus 3. Just look at the arrays. Here is one first row, and here is the second row, and in each row you have three of the rectangles. Got it? So you can write them as 3 plus 3. Got it? And 3 plus 3 makes 6. Got it? So the correct option is the first one, that is 3 plus 3. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which addition statement describes the array? So which one is the correct option? One, first, second, third, or fourth? Which option is the correct one? You have three of the rows, and how many circles in each rows do we have? In each row we have two circles and we have three rows. So the correct option is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Got it? Because each row has two circles and we have three of the rows. Got it? So first option is the correct one. That would be 2 plus 2 plus 2. Isn't it? Yes, very good. The first option is the correct one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which of the option is the correct one? It's okay, just listen to me carefully. So you have two of the rows and each row has four ovals. Got it? So you can write it as 4 plus 4. Very good, Danny. It is 4 plus 4. Got it, everyone? 4 plus 4 equals 8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which statement describes the array? Which one is it? Option one, 2, 3, or 4. Which option is the correct one? They are option number 1 is the correct one. Got it? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Got it? Because you have 4 rows and in each row you have two of the circles. Got it? So it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? The first option is the correct one. It is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Emmanuel, not that much 2's, just 4 times 2. Which statement describes the array? Which of the option is the correct one? Option 1, 2, or 3. Just write the option, correct option. If the first one is correct, just write 1. You don't need to write that much numbers. Just write 1, 2, or 3 for the options. So yes, we have 5 of the rows and each row have 5 2 stars. So it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You have to write a single 2 for each row. Got it? So you have 5 rows. So you have to write 5 times 2 and an addition sign. Got it, everyone? Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which of the option is the correct one? That would be option number 1. You have two of the rows and both the rows have 5 of the squares. So it would be 5 plus 5. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good. It would be the first option. You have 5 arrays. So it makes you have two of the rows and in each row you have 5 of the squares. So it makes 5 plus 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which of the option is the correct one? It would be you have two of the rows and in each row you have 4 of the squares. So the correct option is 4 plus 4. Got it? Because you have two rows and in each row you have, very good, it would be the first option, that is 4 plus 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with that lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next topic, that is Mm, that is, write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10. Let me write down the lesson name on the board, then we'll start with the lesson. That is, write addition sentences. Write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10. For arrays sums to 10. Okay, let's just start with a new topic, that is, write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10. So let's just start with the next topic. Okay, here it is, write addition sentences for arrays sums to 10. We are working on grade 2 maths. The chapter name is addition. Got it? Addition one digit, that is the chapter name. Okay, use repeated addition to describe the array. So you have to actually describe the array, which number is repeating again and again, and what is the sum of the array. Got it? So you have one, two, three, four, five of the rows, and in each row you have two of the hearts. Got it? So it would be 2 plus 2. It would be, let me write it down on board. Where is the pen? Okay, it would be, you have two rows in each heart. Sorry, in each row you have two of the hearts, so you have to write them as 2 plus 2 plus 2. You have five of the rows, 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to add them, so it makes 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 8 plus 2 10. So it will be 2 plus 2. So the correct option is 2 and 10. 2 is repeating again and again, and the sum is 10. You have to find the missing number. One of the number is missing. So the missing number is 2 and the sum is again. You have one number missing and the sum. So it would be 2 and 10. Got it? Two of the numbers are missing, 2 and the sum, that is 10. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Oh, you don't have much more questions in the lesson. So let's just start with the next lesson. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is repeated identify repeated addition in arrays sum to 25. Let me just write down the next lesson name. That is exactly the same to the one I did right before this one. So that is identify repeated addition. Identify repeated identify repeated addition in arrays sums to 25. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the test. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So you have, how many rows do we have? One, two, three, four. And in each row you have two of the squares. So you can write it as, which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? Which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? Option number 2 is the correct one. Got it? It would be 2 plus 2 plus 2, not 10. It is 8. They are just 4 times. Got it? So it would be 8. Just our first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? You have one, two, three, four rows, and in each row you have three diamonds. So which of the option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? 5 plus 5. They are just 3 in each row. It would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, isn't it? You have three diamonds in each row. So it would be the second option, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The correct option is the second one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Which addition statement describes the array? You have three of the rows, and in each row you have two of the triangles. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is the correct one, isn't it? So the correct option is option 2. You have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which of the option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? You have two rows, and in each row you have three circles. So it would be 3 plus 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which addition statement describes the array? You have one, two, three, four, 5 rows, and in each row, how many stars do you have? You have 4 stars each row. So which of the option is the correct one? Very good. That would be the second option. Got it? It would be just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? Option 1 or option 2? You have one, two, 3 rows, and how many circles do you have in each row? Which option is the correct one? Very good. That would be option number 2. You have 5 circles each row, so it would be 5 plus 5 plus 5. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which addition statement describes the array? Which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? You have 2 rows, and in each row you have 5 hearts. So the correct option is Yes, it would be the first one, 5 plus 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? Which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? You have 3 circles in each row and you have 5 rows. Got it? So the correct option is the second one. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which addition statement describes the array? So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct one. Got it? That would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which addition statement describes the array? Option 1 or option 2? Very good. That would be option number 2. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is the final test of the chapter, addition one digit. Got it? Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. Got it? Okay, we are working on grade 2 math. The topic name is addition one digit, and we're going to start with the final test of the chapter. Got it? Let me just write down the lesson name. That would be the final test of the chapter. Got it? Okay, let's start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, so the first one is 5 plus 5 plus 2. So you have to add them. So 5 plus 5 makes. No, we have to do the final test of the chapter. So the first one is you have to do 5 plus 5 plus 2. You have to add them. So 5 plus 5 makes, just add the first two digits. 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 makes 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Then you have to add 2, 10, 11, and 12. So it makes 12, isn't it? Yes, it is 12. So 5 plus 5 plus 2 makes 12. Got it? Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write an addition sentence based on the picture. You have to write the addition sentence. Got it? So just write the yellow tiles and the blue tiles and then just write the addition sentence. So how many yellow tiles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many blue tiles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 4 plus 6, isn't it? And 4 plus 6 equals a. Very good. That is the first option. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the table. The rule is you have to add 5 to the each input value to find the output value. Got it? Just add 5 to each input value. So let's start with the first one. 1 plus 5 equals. Let me just write down the table on the board. We have an input values and the output values. The input values are 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. 4. Yes, you have to find the 1, 2, 3, and you have 9. Okay, so you are given with a rule. The rule is 5. You have to add 5 to each input value. Got it? Just keep 1. So it has 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. So here you have 6. Then you have to add 5 to the 2. So 2 plus 5 equals, yes, very good. Here you have 7, and then 3 plus 5. So here you have 8. Got it? So it would be 6, 7, and 8. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 6, 7, 8 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? Got it? You have 6 plus the missing number and 2 plus the 9. 6 plus missing number and 2 plus 9. Basically, here you have an equality sign. That means when you add both numbers on the both sides, the answer is just equal. Got it? So 2 plus 9 equals 11. Now you have to look for the number. When you add the number to the 6, it makes 11. So 6 plus what number makes 11? You have options given are 3, 4, 5. Let's start with the first one. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 makes 9. This isn't the correct option. Got it? Just look for the second one. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Again, that this isn't the correct option. Just look at the last one. 6 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 makes 11. So 5 makes the equation true. Got it? So the correct option is 5, not 3. Got it? 5 is the correct option because 6 plus 5 makes 11. Got it, everyone? The correct option is 5. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? No one is answering. Is there any problem? Okay, count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of the two equal groups. So which is the correct option? 4 plus 4 equals, which option is the correct one? 4 plus 4 equals, very good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the correct option is 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good, everyone. Okay, 4 plus 0 equals, 4 plus 0 equals, which is the correct option? Very good. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which is not a way to make 2? So which you have to not a way to make 2. So which option is the correct one? First, second, third. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the first one is the correct option because when you add 1 plus 2, it makes 3, not 2. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. That is not the way to make 2 because it makes 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? Very good. That would be the first one. Do you have 3 blue tiles and 10 yellow tiles? So it makes 3 plus 10 equals 13. Got it? Yes. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Write an addition sentence that shows 6 as a sum of two equal whole numbers. So which option is the correct one? Which two numbers have the sum 6? Sorry. Which two numbers have the sum 6? Yes, very good. It would be 3 plus 3. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 2 plus 4 equals. Very good. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, Vicky works at a toy store. Last Monday, she sold 5 dolls, 5 remote cars, and 3 train sets. How many toys did Vicky sell in all? So basically, you have to add up all the numbers. The numbers are 5 plus 5 plus 3. So you have to add 5 plus 5 plus 3. So the correct option is very good. It would be 13. So the total toys sold are 13. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which is the correct option? 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. So which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? Very good. That would be 16. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 4 is 14. And 14 plus 2 is 16. So just the correct option is 16. Okay, which picture shows 1 plus 3 equals 4? So which is the correct option? 1, 2, or 3? Yes, that would be option number 1. 1 green tile and 3 yellow tiles, and together they makes 4. Got it? Okay, add 3 plus 5 equal 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals. Yes, very good. That would be 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Jessica bought a bag of lollipops and sorted them by flavor. She had 5 cherry lollipops, 5 grape lollipops, and 2 lemon lollipops. How many total lollipops were in the bag? You have to add up all the numbers. So the numbers are 5 plus 5 plus 2. So the correct option is yes, very good. It would be 12. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, add 6 plus 0 makes. Six plus 0 makes. Very good. 6 plus 0 makes 6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 1. So which option is the correct one? Yes, it would be 11. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which of the option is the correct one? You have 6 brown tiles and 7 blue tiles. Got it? So together they makes 6 plus 7 is 13. Very good. So the correct first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, add 3 plus 0 equals. Yes, very good. 3 plus 0 equals 3. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is during free time at summer camp, the campers got to pick which activity to do. 2 campers picked boating, 3 campers picked swimming, and 4 campers picked archery, and 3 campers picked crafts. How many campers were there in all? So basically, you have to add up all the numbers. Got it? It will be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. So the correct option is good. When you add up all the numbers, they makes 12. That means the total campers are 12. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Write this as an addition sentence. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to use the equal sign and the operations as well. So which option is the correct one? That would be the second one. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Got it? Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which of the option is the correct one? It would be 4 plus 1. You have 4 of the pink tiles and 1 of the purple tiles. So together they makes 5. So it would be 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? The school supply cabinet has 6 large binders and 8 small binders. In total, how many binders are there? So you have to add up 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 makes 8 plus 6 makes 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We have started with the chapter addition one digit. The lessons we did are identify repeated additions in arrays sums to 10. Write addition sentences for arrays sum to 10. Identify repeated additions in arrays sum to 25, and then the final test of the chapter. So we have completed the chapter addition one digit. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Any questions? Please write the questions in the chat box if you have any. I am waiting for the questions from your side. Yes, we are almost done. So if you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. Okay, that's all for today. Please click on the like button if you find the session helpful for you. That's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Bye, everyone.